You can't escape the responsibilities of tomorrow by evading it today, said by late Abraham Lincoln. And working on the philosophy of creating socially responsible managers who not only transforms organization but also serves to the society. This institute lays a great emphasis on inclusive and sustainable growth of people and community. Hi, I am Harsh Kanoja and I have a 2 years of work experience with Tata Consultancy Services and currently a PGDM student at Vivekananda Institute of Management Studies. Keeping holistic student development in mind, this institute continues a social immersion initiative with the main purpose of serving great social exposure to their students. Yuva for Seva takes me through a unique and much required experience of today's era for being a successful manager. VESM has always believed that the CSR activity is vital for their management and business students, as it plays an important role in grooming us for future endeavors in different capacities and different managerial and business level. It even helps in shaping future business leaders who are empathetic to the need of disadvantaged and marginalized society. These values cannot be taught in classroom. The CSR initiative by VESM are implemented in the underserved rural and urban areas, and also amongst the unprivileged sectors of our society. During this CSR activity, we are encouraged to work for 14 days with an NGO of our choice. The work we do with these NGOs are then reviewed by our faculty and we are being told to make a detailed report of it and also explain what we gain out of this initiative. The skills inculcated in us during 2 weeks helps us at the time of our final placements. I personally believe that this approach will not only enable us to contribute to the corporate social responsibility during our careers, but also help us to be a responsible citizen of the nation. VESM for 25 years is committed in instilling a sense of responsibility in their management students. It helps in our self-development and enable to be transformed into a cultural sensitive, tolerant, ethical and a socially responsible manager.